Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I will be giving a demonstration tutorial on how to use the Mathway application, which is both available on your laptop, on your search browser, and on your phone application store. Mathway allows you to solve many types of math questions from all levels and categories, and also providing the process and steps of finding the answer to your question. On the top left hand corner of the page, you have a drop down menu that displays all levels of math that Mathway could help you with. Now on the right hand corner of the page, you will find a user drop menu which you sign in and sign up from, and right next to that you will find another drop down menu where you can get help from the website's customer service or questions. Also, you have an examples tab. The examples tab lets you search many examples from all types of math concepts for you to understand what you want to learn better by providing the necessary steps and notes for you to learn how to solve. One examples I will use right now is the distributive property. When clicking on it, you can see that it generates a random question. Here you can see that it generates an answer. You click tab to view steps, and it will have other drop-down menus where the exact steps taken to find the answer. It also asks if you need more help, and it will try to connect you to a live tutor. Under the answer tab, you will find another tab where it says tap for more options when it's not the answer you were looking for. This menu drops down and it shows you many different options to choose from to find the exact specific way or method to find your answer. You also have access to enter a problem of your own to find out how it's solved. Also, you get a fully functional keyboard that allows you to write, use numbers, also to put signs, and it is filled with all types of math equations for you to carry out your problem and write it down. The application also offers for you to scan or take photos of your questions, which it could answer and provide the steps without you writing the problem down. And this is all for the demonstration tutorial on how to use the Mathway application and its features for helping people learn math. For only $9.99 a month, you can have access to all of these features to help you become more aware and understanding of what you learn.